Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is November 20th, 2025, and we're diving into Intuit's first quarter earnings report for fiscal 2026. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Intuit has delivered a strong performance this quarter, and I'm excited to discuss the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Intuit reported a total revenue of $3.9 billion for Q1 2026, marking an 18% increase. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Intuit's growth is primarily driven by its global business solutions and consumer segments. The global business solutions revenue grew to $3.0 billion, up 18%, while the consumer revenue increased by 21% to $894 million. This growth is a testament to Intuit's successful execution of its AI-driven platform strategy.
And what about profitability?
Intuit's non-GAAP operating income rose by 32% to $1.3 billion, and the adjusted EPS came in at $3.34, significantly beating the forecast of $1.63. This reflects strong operational efficiencies and margin expansion.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you elaborate on the performance of Intuit's business segments?
Absolutely. The Global Business Solutions segment saw an 18% increase in revenue, with the online ecosystem revenue growing by 21%. This was driven by higher effective prices and customer growth. The consumer segment also performed well, with Credit Karma revenue up 27% and TurboTax revenue up 6%.
How is Intuit leveraging its strategic initiatives to drive this growth?
Intuit is focusing on its AI-driven expert platform strategy, which integrates data, AI, and human intelligence. This approach is enhancing customer experiences and driving growth across its product offerings, from QuickBooks to Credit Karma.
Capital allocation and shareholder returns. Let's talk about capital allocation. How is Intuit managing its resources?
Intuit reported a cash and investments balance of $3.7 billion and $6.1 billion in debt. The company repurchased $851 million of stock and has $4.4 billion remaining on its share repurchase authorization. Additionally, Intuit announced a 15% increase in its quarterly dividend, reflecting its commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Intuit provided for the rest of fiscal 2026?
Intuit has reiterated its full-year guidance, expecting revenue between $20.997 billion and $21.186 billion, with GAAP EPS ranging from $15.49 to $15.69. The non-GAAP EPS is projected to be between $22.98 and $23.88. This strong guidance underscores Intuit's confidence in its growth trajectory and strategic initiatives.